Hey guys, so in today's video I wanted to share with you a game changer. This is definitely changing my life for the better, so I wanted to share it with you guys. So basically, here it is. Whenever you get a negative thought, basically create a name for your negative thinker or your inner critic. So basically you can get as creative as you want. You can call it like a funny name, like Old Toad. I like to call mine personally Negative Nancy. So that name alone literally just like cracks me up. Whenever I do this, it basically detaches me and I become separate from the negative thoughts. So it basically allows us to realize that it's not who we are. It allows us to become detached from the negative thoughts. It allows me just to observe and even laugh sometimes at Negative Nancy's bowl that she tries to feed me, and I become so detached. It's so amazing and incredible how simple it is, and it allows you to become the observer, completely detached from the negativity. And by doing this, the thoughts completely lose their power over you. It allows us to see that you are not your thoughts. Repeat after me: I am not my thoughts, I am pure awareness. I can sit and observe and not allow my true self to be impacted by them. This is a really good quote I read in a book. I'm just going to share it with you guys. Massively helped me, and I'm really hoping it can help you too. The quote is, no thought can ever dominate that which perceives the thought. Notice what it feels like to realize this. Notice that it feels free. This is what stops the unconscious identification with thoughts. This breaks the chain. Ultimately, this is what we are doing. We are breaking the chain and becoming conscious observers, pure awareness, and realizing that it's not us. Basically, by realizing this, it allows us to detach and come back to our true nature, which is pure bliss, pure happiness, pure positive energy is your truest, highest self, basically. And once we are truly grounded and balanced, the negative thoughts become powerless. It's like you know who you are. The sun, like for example, this is just an analogy. You are the sun, and the clouds come. The sun doesn't get upset or triggered by them. The sun just observes them, lets them pass, and whilst doing so, keep shining your incredible light. Also, I create yoga flows. Please subscribe for loads more. I also do like lifestyle and a little bit of travel. I also create so much content to allow us to expand and grow our consciousness. You can also become so present and like aware and start to become like aware of what triggers like your inner critic, your negative Nancy, like what like makes it come up. Like for example, if it's external, like say when someone says something to you, like I don't know, it could be anything, like and then you take it like in a negative way, and then you start to doubt yourself, because then that voice comes in and starts like reinforcing the doubt. You can become a master at shutting it down before it even like starts, because once you identify like what triggers it, like snap it out like before it even tries. And I believe a lot of self-esteem actually comes from our third chakra, which is the solar plexus chakra. It's to do with your self-esteem, and once that's like balanced and grounded, nothing really impacts you, because you know like you're so grounded and balanced, and you know like your own self-worth. So like negative stuff can't like allow you to doubt yourself. When this third chakra is out of balance, we may become so overly sensitive and we react to others, people's feelings or like rejection, and anything less than totally positive feedback, we'll take it as a criticism and we'll be so sensitive, because our inner critic will be operating at a level where we have very little confidence in our capabilities, and we will doubt our self-worth. And remember, everything starts from within, so truly ground and balance yourself from within, and the external will all fall into place because you're right within. And this solar plexus chakra is associated with the color yellow. And when it is in balance, we are able to accept the responsibilities that are truly ours and be confident in our actions and abilities. And we realize that everything in life is truly a choice, and we're able to decide how we wish to act and then maintain our chosen course of action, and have the courage and strength to truly be who we are without outside approval. To balance the chakras, you can try meditation, which really helps, and envisioning whilst you meditate. Always know your true worth because you are so worthy. You do not need anything to prove to you your worth. I really hope this video helps you guys. Remember to silence that inner critic, call it a funny name, literally laugh at it, and know who you truly are. Like, there's no reason to ever doubt yourself because you are pure awareness, pure consciousness. You are pure positive energy, and you deserve unlimited happiness and abundance. And once you choose it, it will always be yours. And for the rest of this video, we can concentrate, meditate on healing and restoring our solar plexus chakra, which is located in the upper abdomen, just 2 inches above the navel. So you can really breathe into that area, consciously restoring and balancing the chakra whilst envisioning the color yellow. And once it's balanced, your authentic self will be allowed to shine through brightly. So conscious, deep, mindful breathing, envisioning the color yellow, balancing and restoring it. And you can use affirmations or a mantra whilst you inhale, and then exhale. So you could use a mantra like, I can believe in myself. I am powerful. I step into my own power. I believe in my worth. I am worthy. I am confident. I am whole. I am complete. I am enough. I am love. I know who I truly am. I take responsibility for my life. I am stepping into my personal power. I can see my own value and my own self-worth. I am worthy. I am deserving. I am powerful. I take accountability for my own life. I always have a choice in all situations. And inhale into the area deeply, and exhale, let it go. Restore it and balance it. Also, spending time in the sun really helps to balance the solar plexus chakra. Now just some time to breathe consciously and deeply into the area and really digest those mantras within you, like feel them. Your true nature is joy, so be joy and spread it. Peace, love, and light from my heart to yours. I shall see you guys in my next upload.